Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Ali Imran, ayah number 113. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ليسوا سواء من أهل الكتاب أمة قائمة يتلون آيات الله آناء الليل وهم يسجدون. It is lean, so we should make it 2 counts long. 2 counts. 2 counts long because this is a natural mud. Lay. Give a nice time on fatha and then attach with ya and keep it soft. Lay. Sa is short. The sound is very short. Wa, for wow, circle your lips and make it 4 counts long. Wa, that will be mad iwad, and that will be 2 counts long. Sawa, mean to for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. Mean. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Lil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil ki, for kasra give e sound. Ta, very sharp sound and 2 counts long. B, for kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. For the circle your lips. Keep the sound of hamza very sharp attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Fatha is short. Ma. And now there is ikhfa, and that is heavy ikhfa, because qaf is among heavy letters. So you while making ikhfa, you will keep the tongue up and keep the sound in your nose too. Tung, and qa will be 2 counts long. Qa e, for kasra give e sound. Qa should be separate from e and shouldn't merge in. Qa e, ma is short. Tui, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tui, yet you keep very soft attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. So hums is a flow of breath. So when you will, after giving shadda on ta, like cutting off the sound of ta with the makhraj of ta, then you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Yet lu is 2 counts long. Circle your lips very well. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long because this is natural mad. Yeah, 2 counts long, and keep it very soft. You are lifting the tongue up, but you're not touching the palate for ya. Yeah, til, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light here because you can see kasra before it. Tillahi, high, short. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. This is mad tabi'i. Na, 4 counts long. Sorry. N, 2 counts long. Na, 4 counts long. Al, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Al, lay, that will be lean. So make it soft and 2 counts long. Lay, li is short. the sound is short. For kasra, give E sound. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme when you get sifa of the wasat. Hum, yes. Keeps ya very soft. Lift up the tongue, but don't touch the palate. Attach with seen. Seen will get rakhawa. It has safi. It is light. Yes. You for the circle your lips. Do 4 counts long and give the wasat at the end because you are giving sakun because of the waqf on noon. Yes. Judun. You for Dhamma circle your lips attached with Hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound right there, and there is no flow of sound whatsoever. So you me for Kasra give E sound. The sound is very short. No, circle your lips very well and make it 2 counts long. Na short. Bil for Kasra give E sound attached with Lam. Make it light because there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Billah, it will be 2 counts long. He, for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Well, yaw, 2 counts long. And because this is lean, Mil, for kasra, give E sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mil Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it, and that is 2 counts long. So the sound of Hamza and Alif should be differentiated very nicely. When you say it nicely. For kasra, give E sound. Kha will be heavy. Ri or Ra will be light because Ra has kasra. So the sound of Ra will be light, and saying light Ra, you have to uh, keep your tongue straight and give ri. Say ri. Khi, ri, huwa. For wow, circle your lips, attach for fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, for yeah is light, attached with Hamza. Hamza is very sharp. Yeah, mu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ru, 2 counts long, and it is heavy because there is dhamma on ra. Na short. Bil for kasra, give it as E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sif of the wasut. Bil ma for me and me. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa off tawassut, and it should be from your throat. Then the tawassut should flow in a straight way. Like it shouldn't be bouncy, it shouldn't be cutting off in the middle. No. Ma, ma, ru, is too, heavy and it is 2 counts long. Circle your lips to make dhamma very nice. Ru, fi for kasra, give E sound. Wa, yan, ya is light. Attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut. Yan, how should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, and that is lean, so it will be 2 counts long. How na short. Ain from your throat. The sound is short. Nil for kasra, give E sound, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mung for dhamma, circle your lips and make ikhfa. As soon you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, and the sound should go into your nose, and you will go towards the makhraj of kaf. Mung, and saying the ikhfa of with the kaf, your sound should be like you're about to say ink. Munkari for the ra is light because there is kasra. Wa, you, yeah is light. For the circular lips, the sound is very short. You, sa, 2 counts long. Ri for kasra, give E sound, and ra is light. Ru for the circular lips. Ain should be from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Na short. Feel for kasra, give E sound, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat. Feel Khay, kha will be heavy for fatha. Open your jaws, attach with ya, and that will be 2 counts long because this is lean. Khay, rot. 4 counts long, and give hums on ta because you will give sukoon because of the waqf, and that is mad added للسكون. هو for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws. Ooh, this is sharp and short because you can see 0 at the top of wow. That means we are not pronouncing wow. Ooh, la, 4 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound, and the sound is very short. Ka, short. Wa, la, I, ka, mi for kasra, give E sound. Nas for fatha, open your jaws, attach with sod. Sod will get raqawa. It has safir and it is heavy. Nas. And then it is 2 counts long. Sa, li for kasra, give E sound. Heen. 4 counts long, and it will get tawassut at the end because you are giving sukoon because of the waqf. And that is mad arid للسكون. يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر ويسارعون في الخيرات وأولئك من الصالحين وما يفعلوا من خير فلن يكفروه والله عليم بالمتقين. Wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Yaf, yeah, keep ya light. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa, fa will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breaths. Yaf, ain from your throat. The sound is short, but for fatha, open your jaws. Lu, 2 counts long. Min, this is idhar. The rule is idhar, and the sifa is tawassut. Min, khoy. Kho will be heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ya, and that will be 2 counts long because this is lean. Khoy, ring. This is ikhfa. You are hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of fa, but you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Khing, sorry. Khairin, fa. Fa is short, but there should be hums. Lain, this is idgham with gunna. Lain. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. فَلَن يُك for the muscle, circle your lips, attach with kaf, and kaf will get sip of hums. Yuk, fa, give hums again on fa, fa, ooh. That would be 4 counts long, and give raqawa on ha, and you will give sukoon on ha. Fa, ooh. Wallahu. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lafz jalala will be heavy here because you can see fatha before it. Wallahu. For the ma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Ain should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Li, 2 counts long because this is mad tabi'i. Mum. This is ikhfa shafawi. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ali, Dil for kasra, give it a short sound, and it should be light, attached with lam, and give e sound into it. Dil mut for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch ta, your lips should be in a straight position, and then for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Muttaqeen. Qaf will be heavy and that will be 4 counts long, and you will get the wasut at the end because you are giving sukoon on noon, and that is making it ما تعرض للسكون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.